The Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association, today the 12th of April 2022, urged upon the government to issue order and implement the same for closure of all toll gates within the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons, the president of the association, Moslander Marngar, said that the state government, through the Joint Secretary of the District Affairs on the 25th of January 2022, had issued an order to ban all toll gates as well as check gates that were constructed by the National Highway Authority of India in the state. He also said that as owners and drivers of trucks for the past 2 years, they have been facing problems of extortion from various toll gates erected along the national highways within the state. He added that if there's failure to pay the amount, drivers were threatened with dire consequences and sometimes with weapons to frighten them. He also informed that even when the government had issued an order to close down all the toll gates, but the same and especially those erected by the district councils are still in place. Marngar therefore urged upon the state government of Meghalaya not only to issue the order but to make it functional as well.
Di finally mentang ilayo ya ko order ka balami na government ba ban close no ya borok khoi ki tool gate lani ki check gate ki bodon ya ki haki surok jo ki national highway lani haki major road jongka khani ka po ka jala ka jungi ti na kaliang jungi ngla ya persang ban pentrekam ya kata ban ila ajing tip ya ki para drivers lani ki para try kali ki jungi ba ngimde shu ban si holor kani ko order Handrai hakini ki arta yo menta ngila mat sibun ki jinga ngila persan kata don ki hadin balayo to koda nginum siu shu ki don ki get kartu kat ni kila kini ki jaka krong pisa kila sange no Handrai jin adu menta ki dambun khamtam jong ka konsil ki dang pen ibor be brang pen jenjar be ya ki drivers ki jongi khamtam ki por men man bergem bersip badakabor ban sim ke ban pan pisa na ki ti don ki kep ru menta kini gimit ke don ki jingjia ru ba la po hedu ka jinge mensa ti na kaliang ngajungi ngimla shu ban sha ya kani mo bangi yo ya ko order na ka state government state government kala ai ko order shaki deputy commissioner consent ki district Handrai kingi iba ki DC lani kita ki bor sarkar ki la shu ai ya kani ka jing tho shikini ki nong upgrade but kini tool gate tamkum ka jing tho Handrai hadu menta kamud ba ki kham pentrekam ya ka an kum ba kalong ba ki de ban close no ban pasange no ya ka jing krong pisah ti don ting teng ki consensus wise mo ki don consensus wise ngla ban len ji sha on record ki phone ru ba ki akram ba ki nut ban kam ma kani ka de get jung emily ti ting teng don ki por ga be pen ibor ngam pen I to order jung emily kum ta ter te ki sedang no ban penwan no da ka we da ka a ti ni yu iba ni kwa ken bangin wan hang ne kum ka association ban se ban pen pau no shi media ban karpat ya ka sorka habakala ai ko order ban ong ban khang no bar kho ji tul get kadai ban pen I da ki kam ke magi don hateng ki ni iba ka sorkar tip ka nen kum do ba ka shpen mi proxy be ko order ki shpen mi ko order hande kim pen trai kam ya ka ai ki don ki kep ki bang ilap kum ha ka git hapo lat moreng ni don ki jingkom kata ka bang jingya be jungi para members ba gim ki trok kim yeng shu ban siu khajana te ki police force ki yeng yang tu ban penyeng kali ta kamut ba ki kami siu so power kai te lada kalong kum ni kum dong insania ya ka sarkar bolong kum ni haba ka order ki ai Handrai ki le proxy da ka ba yeng ban penyeng da ki force ban up ban bor ban ngin ai bisa menta ki sim san spa la shahidin bal up ki police pin siu biang kum la shai lawan ki pan sia jahat double na ka ba ai te na kaliang jungi issue kwa man request bat kum ju sarkar ba lakno kuno mot ba de kan ya ka ko order ka bala kan ka de ban pentre kambe kat kum ka ani ke kat persup yang ni ka ya ki members ke jingi kaya ke yen jo kini kitro tangi por all kitul git ki bangi kenyo jing kenyo la kenma na du ka boundary jo ka west castle kamun na area salang hadu ha riboy ki bangi ha pansiu ki don jin kumbalai pu artli don kitul git bangi siu bada dari ru lai spa gide jong ki hima kide jo ki council kidon ki git ki ba teng hijaka tang shi jaka kidon south li ki jong ki la artli ki hima artli jo council kata kadon kata tekin ta ki ba ya ba menta ki badang ya be jang hikmat badu menta ki pendik ini ki area bade jong kamau chundut civil subdivision bat kum ju jong ka district bade area nong stoin constituency te area Nongstoin yang siang no te nang ta kini area motion road civil service kini kidang ya penuit di daku menlong mentah east and west dan mentah laisi south ni kila close down but ki shu teng ki shu de proxy kom bisaru ki shu tebe beda koto slides kum tu klap to don ki members ki bobatip ki de su pisah don ki members ki ba latip ki yaj bet don ki por klap pa ki kwa padi bor ki bet ki persange ki tlia shimit dakum ni gumtai na kaliang jongi ki nong yalam ban se khar baje men mitru ni haban intervene haban late ban pelat ane ban report ya kata